For those of us who spend hours behind the wheel, our vehicles are far more than just a way to get from point A to point B. Amazon's massive Prime Day shopping event provides the absolute best window of the year to upgrade our daily drive with high-tier tech and utility upgrades without paying full retail prices. We have rounded up the absolute best Prime Day car accessories and gadgets available right now, giving us the perfect opportunity to maximize our cabin's comfort, safety, and capability while keeping our budget firmly intact. If you're still plugging your phone into your car every single time you drive, this might be one of the most practical Prime Day upgrades on the list. Better yet, it's available with a 13% Prime Day discount, making it an even easier recommendation for drivers looking to modernize their infotainment setup without spending a fortune. The Torvo 2-in-1 wireless CarPlay adapter converts wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto systems into a fully wireless experience, eliminating one of the most annoying daily habits most drivers still deal with. Now, we've tested plenty of wireless adapters before, and honestly, a lot of them feel like a gamble. Some take forever to connect, some overheat after extended use, and others randomly drop connections. But the Torvo adapter actually surprised us. Right from the unboxing, it feels more premium than most options in this price range, thanks to its sleek metal housing that not only looks better, but also helps with heat dissipation during long drives. Setup is about as simple as it gets. Plug it into your vehicle's data-enabled USB port, pair your phone through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. During testing, both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connected quickly and ran smoothly. Navigation apps responded normally, music streaming stayed stable, and call quality remained clear without noticeable audio delays or connection issues. One feature we especially liked is the automatic reconnection. Once paired, the adapter reconnects to your phone whenever you get in the vehicle, making the whole experience feel completely seamless. If you're looking for one of the cheapest ways to give your car a freshly detailed appearance, this Prime Day deal is worth checking out. The Armor All Podium Series Hybrid Ceramic Tire Shine is currently 16% off, bringing the price down to around $8. Developed with the Oracle Red Bull Racing Team, this tire shine combines traditional dressing with SiO2 ceramic technology to deliver both protection and a deep, high-gloss finish. Instead of a temporary shine that quickly fades, it creates a protective barrier that helps resist rain, road grime, and regular wear. We also like that the formula clings to the tire without dripping and self-levels as it dries, helping create a smooth, even finish without streaks or patchy spots. Armor All claims the shine can last for up to 4 weeks, even through multiple washes and changing weather conditions. If you're shopping for a dashcam this Prime Day, this might be one of the strongest value picks on the entire list. The TORVO TD3 is currently available. The TORVO TD3 is currently priced at $129.99, but will be available with a 40% Prime Day discount, making it under $100. This makes it an already budget-friendly 4K dashcam even harder to ignore. Now, we've tested plenty of affordable dashcams over the years, and one thing we've learned is that a long feature list doesn't always translate into a good real-world experience. But the TD3 actually manages to deliver where it matters. It combines front and rear recording, GPS tracking, parking surveillance, app connectivity, and true 4K front footage at a price that's usually reserved for much more basic models. What impressed us most was the overall balance of the package. The front camera records in 4K with WDR processing, producing sharp daytime footage with readable license plates and a wide field of view that captures nearly the entire road ahead. The included rear camera records in full HD and performs surprisingly well for a budget dual-channel setup, offering solid clarity during both day and night driving. Another feature we really appreciated is the built-in Wi-Fi connectivity. Through the companion app, you can instantly review footage, download clips, adjust settings, and manage recordings directly from your phone without removing the memory card. The interface is clean, responsive, and easy to navigate. For parked vehicle protection, the TD3 supports 24-hour parking monitoring when paired with the optional hardwire kit. Motion detection and impact-triggered recording help capture incidents while the vehicle is unattended. And the supercapacitor design offers better heat resistance and long-term reliability compared to traditional battery-powered dash cams. Perhaps the biggest surprise is that Torvo even includes a 64GB memory card in the box, which is something many competitors still charge extra for. If there's one small tool that can genuinely improve safety, fuel efficiency, and tire lifespan, it's a reliable tire pressure gauge. And right now, the AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge is available at 24% off, dropping the price to around $24.99, down from $32.99. What makes this one stand out is its high-precision calibration, designed to deliver readings within 1% accuracy across a wide range from 3 to 250 psi. That means whether you're checking a car, SUV, truck, or even off-road or RV tires, you're getting consistently reliable readings instead of guesswork. It's also an all-in-one tool combining inflation, deflation, and pressure checking in a single unit. The straight locking chuck and bleed valve make adjustments easy, especially when paired with an air compressor. Built with heavy-duty stainless steel and brass components, it feels solid in hand and is designed for long-term use. For drivers who want safer handling, better fuel economy, and longer tire life, this is a simple but highly practical Prime Day upgrade. If your car always ends up tangled in charging cables, this is one of those simple Prime Day upgrades that instantly makes your interior feel cleaner and more organized. Right now, the Lisen retractable car charger is available at 19% off, dropping the price to around $16. What makes this charger stand out is its retractable dual cable design, featuring both USB-C and Lightning connectors that extend up to 31.5 inches. Combined with dual USB ports, it can charge up to 4 devices at once, making it especially useful for families, commuters, or anyone who travels with multiple gadgets. Power-wise, it delivers up to 84 watts total output, including a 45-watt USB-C PD port for fast-charging modern smartphones and tablets. Despite the multi-device capability, it maintains smart power distribution to keep charging speeds stable. The retractable mechanism is the real highlight here, helping eliminate cable clutter entirely when not in use. Paired with its 180-degree adjustable shock-proof design, it stays stable even on rough roads while keeping your setup flexible. If your car seats constantly turn into a dumping ground for bags, groceries, and random items rolling around the floor, this is one of the simplest Prime Day fixes you can get. The Amooca car headrest hooks are currently 36% off, dropping the price to just $6.99, making them one of the cheapest upgrades on this list. These hooks install directly onto your headrest bars in seconds. No tools, no disassembly, nothing complicated. Once attached, they instantly turn unused seat space into practical storage for handbags, grocery bags, backpacks, umbrellas, and more. Each hook is built from durable ABS plastic and is designed to hold up to 55 pounds, which is more than enough for everyday use. The S-shaped design keeps items securely in place, so nothing slides off during braking or sharp turns. One of the most useful features is the 360-degree rotating design, which lets you swing the hooks out of sight when they're not needed, keeping your interior clean and uncluttered. And since this is a 4-pack, you can equip multiple seats for full vehicle organization. For under $7 during Prime Day, this is one of those small but surprisingly effective upgrades that instantly makes your car feel more organized. If your car tends to collect wrappers, receipts, and random clutter during daily drives, This is one of those simple Prime Day upgrades that instantly makes your interior feel cleaner. The Hotor Car Trash Can is currently 23% off. What makes this stand out is how flexible and practical it is for everyday use. It comes with an adjustable strap that lets you mount it on the back of headrests, front seats, or even the center console, so it stays accessible no matter where passengers are sitting. When not in use, it collapses down to save space, which is great for keeping things tidy. Inside, it features a waterproof and leak-proof lining, so spills from drinks, snacks, or trash won't soak through or create odors. Cleaning it is simple. Just wipe it down or replace the liner when needed. Another smart touch is the magnetic snap system, which makes swapping trash bags quick and hassle-free instead of dealing with messy removals. Beyond just trash, it can also double as a storage organizer for small items or even a temporary cooler for short trips. If you've ever taken long drives with kids or passengers in the back seat, you already know how quickly boredom can kick in. This Prime Day deal solves that problem in a simple way. The Lamicall car headrest tablet holder is currently 22% off, bringing the price down to around $17.99. What makes this stand out is its biaxial extension arm, which allows you to adjust both viewing distance and angle for a more comfortable setup. Whether it's movies, games, or streaming shows, it helps keep passengers entertained without constantly holding a device. Installation is quick, usually just a few seconds with no tools required. The mount attaches securely to most headrests using a metal crossbar design, which improves stability even on bumpy roads. Rubber padding also helps protect your tablet from scratches while keeping it firmly in place. It supports a wide range of devices from 4.7 to 11 inches, including iPads, Android tablets, and even some large phones, making it a versatile option for families. If you're serious about keeping your car interior spotless, this Prime Day deal is one of those tools that takes cleaning to a whole different level. The SPTA Car Cleaning Gun is currently 10% off, bringing the price down to around $35.98. Unlike basic cleaning tools, this works with an air compressor to blast out dust and debris from tight and hard-to-reach areas inside your car. From air vents and door panels to seats, carpets, and even engine surfaces, it helps remove dirt that traditional wiping or vacuuming often misses. One of the key features is the rotating air hose design, which creates a swirling airflow effect. This helps lift and dislodge embedded dust more effectively, especially in textured surfaces like fabric seats and floor mats. It's also surprisingly versatile, making it useful not just for personal car detailing, but also for professional or workshop use. The long barrel design improves precision, allowing you to target small gaps and corners with better control. Keep in mind, it does require an external air compressor to operate, but when paired correctly, it becomes a powerful detailing tool for deep interior cleaning. If there's one thing every driver should keep in their car, it's a reliable tire inflator, and this Prime Day deal makes it even easier to grab one. The AstroAI Air Compressor Tire Inflator is currently 10% off, bringing the price down to around $28.79. What makes this useful is its programmable inflation system, which lets you set your desired tire pressure and walk away. Once it reaches the preset level, it automatically shuts off, removing the guesswork and preventing overinflation. It's powered through a standard 12-volt car cigarette lighter socket, and the included 9.8-foot cord gives enough reach to comfortably handle all 4 tires on most vehicles without repositioning the car. The compact design also makes it easy to store in your trunk or glove compartment, so it's always available in emergencies. Despite its small size, it features a backlit digital display and built-in flashlight, which is especially helpful for nighttime roadside use. With durable internal components and improved longevity through AstroAI's Tough Ultra construction, it's built to handle regular use without wearing down quickly. So that was our video on the best Prime Day car accessories and gadgets. Let us know your favorite pick in the comment section, as we'd love to hear from you. And, as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.